Do you have a messy trunk and you're looking for something to organize your things because of that mess? Well, I have a product for you. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is Time FK7, and today we're going to be taking a look at an accessory that you can get on LASFIT's website. Let's go. So, my trunk is actually really dirty. Let me show you guys. So this is the state of my trunk, and it's really dirty because I go to car meets and I carry around a lot of stuff with me. So this organizer from LASFIT is actually a really good thing to have because it'll keep your items organized. And as you can see, it's like this little organizer thing that you can do, and it's foldable. So it's collapsible, and you get these little straps right here on the side so that you can expand this thing, and it's this big. So if you wanted to make this smaller, you could always go like this and fold it just like that, and then strap this. So now you have this little box that you can use on your car. But we're gonna go ahead and make it big since I do carry a lot of stuff. So like that, and then right here, it's like these little wall things. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, so that you can adjust the little walls. So as you can see, there's like a little Velcro right here in the middle. And if I were to put this right here, and then I'll put this one right here. Now you have 3 pockets, just like that. Amazing. You have this one that goes on the bottom, which we can just slide right under. You know, if you wanted to make it more sturdy, okay, so it won't like bend on you. And then these ones right here, you see like these Velcros on top and the bottom. This will go on top if you wanted to have like a lid, you know, so that you can just open and close it whenever to make it more organized looking. So just like that. And what's good is that this is portable because as you can see, we have these handles right here, and then we also have some pockets right here on the side. So not only do you get a lot of storage, but you also get a bunch of pockets, and this is adjustable. So if you wanted to make this smaller, you can do that. This is what it looks like all folded up. So if you're not planning on using this, this is what it looks like. Look how small it got. So let me show you guys, this is a before, okay? And now with this one, we're gonna be able to fit all of this into this. And we're gonna have a lot more storage room as well. So of course I need my microfiber cloths because I do go to car meets, and I do want to make sure that the car is nice and clean.
Why don't I organize?
Yeah, can you organize? Because I have no idea what I'm doing.
Okay.
Yeah, can you, yeah, let me, okay, we'll be right back. So this right here is the result. Okay, so obviously I'm not the one that organized it. I can't organize for shit. Anyways, this right here, this was all in the trunk. This is a good little investment if you're looking for something to organize your stuff. Because right here, I have all my cleaning stuff like my microfiber cloths, my cleaning products, and I have my battery backup right here, just in case I do need a jump start. And then I did have my first aid kit as well. And then right here, we have these pockets right here which I have more stuff, okay? And then this one's empty. The front ones are empty as well. And then we also have this one on the side. It has my cables just in case I need a cable, because I am working on a project. I'm not gonna be telling you guys what kind of project, but it deals with these kind of cables. And it's a video that many of you have asked me to do. I just haven't started on it yet. It'll come soon on the channel, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, this right here is the final result. Oh, and I'm feeling something on the bottom, and I'm gonna be doing a test. I'm gonna put a GoPro back here to show you guys how sturdy this is. And like these handles are really nice. They're like made out of metal. So it only takes up this much space, like compared to what we had earlier, and it looks so much neater too as well. We're gonna drive like a maniac. We're in the parking lot. Idiot. Watch where you're going. No, I don't know if you guys saw that, but person looks like she wasn't even paying attention. So this cargo organizer from LASFIT is a really good investment for those of you who are looking for something that'll organize all that messy stuff. This is a good product for you, and this is all the space that it takes. If you were planning on going grocery shopping, you can either put all your groceries in here, because I know some grocery stores don't have bags. You can always put it in here, and then you can just carry this inside of your house. So this is a really good thing to have. Not only does it have a lot of cargo space, but it's also waterproof and it's made out of a tough material. You know what time it is? It's subscriber builds, where I show off your builds on my channel. And today's first build is... First up, we have Yen here's build, and he says, "Hey Chris, I enjoyed your Honda Civic hatchback build and congratulations on buying a Type R. I can't wait what mods you put on it in the future just for fun. I would like to show you my mods for my Honda Civic hatchback build. And I hope everyone on YouTube enjoys my mods, and if they want to see more, I'll leave my Instagram." Next we have a build from Ern Grobelik, and he says, "Hi Chris, this is my Honda Civic Hatch FK10. I've done some mods to it, but I have a lot of things in mind for the car in the future. It has black Honda badges, LED interior, carbon on steering wheel, Type R shift knob, and a custom exhaust. Hope you like it." If you want your build to be featured on the channel, send me an email at christimefk7@gmail.com so that your build can be featured on the channel. Back to the video. Anyways, if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button, comment down below what you guys think of this video, and if you're interested in this product, I will be linking it down in the description, as well as LASFIT's other products. If you use my code CTFK7, you get 10% off, but this is how you get the product for 15% off, because LASFIT is doing a Black Friday sale, so I'm going to be putting a code right here. Or whatever. Okay, the details. Okay, anyways, yeah, just look at the description for everything. I'm being yelled at right now, so I'm gonna wrap this up. Thank you all for watching. This is Time FK7, and peace out.
Oh, again.
Thank you all for watching. This is Time FK7, and peace out.
Don't do that.
I'm sorry, it's a habit. I'm getting yelled at again.